Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make paper box. First of all, you have to fold into two equal halves. Now from the other side, okay, four squares on your paper. Now fold a triangle that will result in two triangles actually. Again, the same step from the other side. Now you have a star type crease on your paper. Open it to visualize it. Now fold. Do it calmly and it would be done easily. Two bends on one side, fold, from the other side the same step. Okay. These steps are pretty easy. I hope you are learning well. You may stop the video to catch up if your speed is a bit low, which may be because it's your first time to do it. Don't forget to visit our channel. You will find a variety of crafts like this over there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Open it and voila, it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.